Hi, I'm Ava from the UTS support team. Today, we will take a quick look at some of the most commonly used features of ICT Protege WX's web interface. These features include user management, event monitoring, door status monitoring, scheduling, and event reports. Now, let's get started. To begin, let's log in to the ICT Protege WX's web interface. Simply enter your username and password, then click Login to access the system. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, the central hut for managing your Protege WX system. Now, let's click on Users to access the user management page. Under Users, we can see the list of users in the system. Here we have Chris Nelson, who is in management that only has a PIN code as his access credential without any access card assigned to him. Whereas John Doe, who is an employee, that only uses a fob. Here we can see under the user access level that John Doe only has employee access, while Chris Nelson has management access. Now, if we go to Access Level Management under the Users tabs, we can see that management has access at any time to both the front door and employee entrance. While employee only has access Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. during the business hours, and only to the employee entrance. If we go to monitoring, then click on events, we can see all of the events in the system. For example, if employee John Doe tries to access the employee entrance by using his fob, the system will grant him access with the access granted event logged into the system. But if he tries to access the front door, as we can see, he does not have the permission to access. Now, if Chris Nelson from management tries to access the front door with his personal PIN, we can see that his access request had been granted. One other commonly used feature under monitoring is the door status monitoring feature. We can access it by clicking on Doors under Monitoring. Over here, we can see the status of the doors as well as full control over all of the doors. This can be done both locally and remotely. You can unlock the door, unlock and keep it unlocked. Or you can lock the door if it was set to unlock by schedule. Now, to manage or to make changes to schedules, we can go to Schedules under the Scheduling tab. Under the schedules, we can see the Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. schedule that was used by employee John Doe. If we would like to add Saturday, we can simply put a check mark on Saturday, then click on Save. To remove it, just do the opposite, then Save. If we want to extract a specific event, we can go to Reporting under the Monitoring tab. Then click on Event Reports. Give a name for the event report. We will use John Doe as an example. Configure the start and end date and time range for the event report. Click Save. Once saved, go to the Users tab to make sure John Doe had been selected. Then click the Door tab to make sure that the employee entrance had been selected for the report. Click the View to view the report. In this event report, we can see when John Doe had access to the employee entrance during the time range we had configured. Now, if we add front door as well, then click on View Report. We can see that John Doe had also tried to access the front door, But those access requests had been denied, as he does not have permission to access it. If required, we can export this event report to a CSV file. By extracting it to a CSV file, we can keep this event report in our records. This concludes our video tutorial. For more videos like this, please visit our website at utsgroup.ca or visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.